let's install Microsoft Word to your new MacBook. Remember, programs are installed from self-service. Scroll down and find Microsoft Word in self-service. Click Install. Click Install on this screen as well. This installation process could take a while. Let's open Word from Launchpad. It may be on the second page of Applications. There it is. When I click to open Word for the first time, I will need to click through a few options in order to access the program. First, click Already Have a Subscription, Sign In. On this screen, type your EPISD username, the one you used to get into Schoology. Be sure to include @episd.org at the end and click Next. Here, type your EPISD password and then click Sign In. Click Start Using Word and click Get Started. Click OK and you're ready to begin. To create a new Word document, click Blank Document and click Create. And you're ready to work. I'm going to open PowerPoint from Launchpad. I'll click on PowerPoint and I'll need to click Get Started. To create a new PowerPoint presentation, click Blank Presentation and Create. All set! I'll need to go through the same process when opening Excel. Open Excel from Launchpad and click Get Started. This process will be necessary the first time you use Microsoft tools. Now you're ready to use Word, PowerPoint, and Excel on your new MacBook.